Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have released financial results. Fosterich Company Limited audited financials for the year ending December 31, 2024 reports a 85% decline in year-end net profit. JMMB Group Limited audited financial statements for the 12 months ended March 31, 2025 reports a year-end net profit attributable to shareholders of $3.51 billion. Lasco Financial Services Limited audited financials for the year ending March 31, 2025 reports a 64% decline in year-end net profit. Wigton Wind Farm Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending March 31, 2025 reports 12 months net profit of $302.93 million. Proven Group Limited unaudited financials for the year ending March 31, 2025 reports a 79% decline in year-end net profit attributable to shareholders. For the trading period ending June 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 5,303,850 units traded, representing 34.29% of market sales volume. Toll Road Manager Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 1,207,611 units traded, representing 8.13% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,136,731 units traded, representing 7.35% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $58.46 million purchased and US $55.86 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.48 per dollar, selling the US at $160.11 and buying the US at $158.63. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.37 per transaction, with selling at $117.36 and buying at $114.99. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.65 in profits, with selling at $215.27 and buying at $208.62. For our credit report tip of the day, before you can launch your next offer, build your website, or invest in marketing tools, you need access to capital. And that starts with how you manage your money and maintain your credit. Too often, entrepreneurs delay building because they assume they need cash on hand. But the truth is, a well-organized financial profile and an improved credit score can open the door to the funding you need right now to grow a digital-based business without waiting for one day. So here are some suggestions. Download your full credit report from all of the credit bureaus. Review for errors or outdated items and file disputes immediately. Set a 90-day credit improvement goal. And make all payments on time. Automate them if needed. When you're building something from nothing, let's be honest. Starting over as a professional woman over the age of 45 wasn't the plan. But here you are, wiser, stronger, and more determined than ever to rebuild not just your finances, but your future with your partner by your side. Whether it's recovering from a job loss, a divorce, health challenges, or simply rethinking how you want to live the next 20+ years, you know one thing for sure: what got you here won't get you there. To go from financial recovery to financial resilience, you need more than just spreadsheets. You need an awareness of the money scripts driving your decisions and the money types shaping your habits as a couple. So here are some suggestions to take action with your partner. You can schedule a wealth check-in every month and review progress, adjust goals, and dream big. Another idea is to open a dividend stock portfolio in both names. Start small and reinvest profits. Next, create a divide and conquer wealth plan, so you know who tracks what, one who saves and one who invests. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.